Welcome to Kundinger Service and Repair Solution Center. If you want something fixed quickly and want it done right the first time, turn to our comprehensive Service and Repair Solution Center. Here's a few of the projects that have been brought into us for repair. 4 large press cylinders, 2 excavating cylinders, a motor, and some smaller cylinders. Here's one of our lathes in which we'll manufacture pistons, manufacture new rods, can turn new ends onto cylinders, can make any modifications that we need to a cylinder rod, barrel, or anything that we need to custom make. We are a one-stop shop for repairs, rebuilds, in-house design and engineering with a fully trained team to complete each step of the work accurately and on time to keep you and your project moving and minimize lost work time.